Hey, you guys. It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Welcome, guys. If you clicked on this video, it's either because you like watching me, so I thank you very much, or you just want to see what bag I have today. Either way, thank you so much for being here. I am going to try and be as informative as possible. You already know this. So if you watched my last Getting Ready With Me video, I talked about some of these companies that have reached out to me that want me to kind of show the products that they have. I also did another video on this same company a little while ago on another CC bag. I will try and put it up right here if you missed it. But after I made that video live, they reached out to me again and said thank you so much and if I was interested in doing another one for them. Now here's the thing. I am interested, as always. I mean, who doesn't want to get free bags to show on YouTube and talk about them and just have for their collection? However, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I'm more on the bargain hunt for the fabulous, well-priced bag. And that one that I did in the last video, I felt was definitely in that category, even though it was just a little bit more than some of the Gate bags that I usually show. So they actually said that this bag is another way high quality one, and it is a little bit more expensive. But if we're talking in the grand scheme of things, if you were actually to purchase this bag in the original form from the original boutique, you are going to be spending, I think it's somewhere between $6,000 and $9,000. I don't have time for that. So this one is definitely a more well-priced one if you are trying to go that route. It's just, you know, a little bit higher than some of the other bags that I have shown. This may be a recurring thing. I know I have another one coming up for another bag that is also a very high quality replica. And again, I don't know if anybody is really interested in seeing these high dollar replica bags. High dollar to me, like if it's over $100, then I feel like it's a high dollar thing, you know? But after some consideration, I was like, well, maybe there's just some people out there that actually want to see it, and there's no other way for them to see it and then for me to bring it on. So I said yes to a couple companies. So this is one of them, and there will be a couple more forthcoming. So if you haven't already, you can subscribe or stay tuned, and you can always check out my Gate playlist if you're looking for some other things. But today we are going to be talking about the Quilted Medium Caviar Chanel Classic Double Flap Bag in medium. Now I have her in this cute little Chanel shopping bag. I do want to go through the unboxing video with you first so you can see how it arrived and how I unwrapped it. So I'm going to pop that up right here. bag. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and bag so we can go through some of the details. As always, I'm going to try and show like a screenshot of some research that I did. I do want you to know that I have never held an original one of these in my hand. So I'm just going off descriptions from the internet and pictures that I found from people reselling and or the original website if they have a very similar one posted. So just keep that in mind. As you saw, it came in this beautiful gift box. I really do like the overhead flap. I think it's so cute. They did include a gift box ribbon. So if you were gifting this to someone or yourself, you could tie this around the box, and when they take it out of the bag, it's like super cute, you know. It did come in a Chanel branded dust bag, which is really nice. This dust bag is gorgeous. It has the drawstring on the top. It's kind of like a cotton jersey material, not even jersey. It's a little bit thicker than jersey. I don't know how to describe these things. But anyway, it's a really nice Chanel dust bag. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna take the baby out. I haven't even taken the little tag off yet. I was trying to get this as fresh to you guys as possible. I actually still have the plastic on the emblem. I should probably take that off, huh? So we can get like a really good, there we go. Okay, there we go. I'm so glad that they actually sent me the silver. I don't know if from my last video, because they sent me the gold and I was like, I would have really liked silver, they sent me the silver this time, but super happy that they did because this is like way more along the lines of like my style. Even though I'm wearing gold jewelry today, I don't know, I'm all over the place, guys. Like I said, this is the Caviar Quilted Medium Double Flap Classic Bag in black with the silver detail. So as you can see, the caviar leather is kind of like more that textured leather. This smells really good. I like how this one feels. It's very sturdy. It definitely has like some girth to it. Doesn't feel low end at all, as it shouldn't be if you are choosing one of the more higher end replicas. From first glance, all the details do match up. The logo on the front, the quilted pattern, the pocket on the back, and the chain that can be worn two ways, either a double strap or like this for a shoulder hanging bag. So those all match up. And again, I want to reiterate that the chains on these are really, really nice. Some of the CC bags that I got on the gate, definitely the chain was like a little janky. These ones so far have been absolutely stellar. So super happy about that. If we go ahead and open her up, it's a little twist thing in the middle of the logo, and then you open it up. Now you do have the flap, which is why it's called the double flap bag. Honestly, I do not know I don't know why that is. I don't know what that helps with or whatnot. If you know why they designed it that way, can you comment down below? I'm actually going to be asking you to comment a lot because I don't know too much about these really high-end CC bags. Just wanted to know. The other thing that I could not find any photos or any description of is this zipper on the top. This one has like a little leather tag. I don't know if that's supposed to be removed or not. I kept it on there. But it does zip open. The thing is this doesn't actually like go anywhere. It's not a pocket. So if you have seen one of these in real life or you know, please comment down below if this is just like a dummy zipper or like what this is. Because even if it did work, I don't know what would go in here. Okay, so if we open up the double flap, you get that beautiful Chanel burgundy interior. I did look up this logo with the Chanel tag, and this does all match up to the original. The inside is exactly the same. You've got that burgundy material. You have two pockets right here, and then you have that really classic, iconic lipstick holder in the middle here. So the embossed detailing, the logo, and the pockets all match up. And of course, from the last video, if you remember, I did my research on the serial tag. In the older bags that you find online from like Fashionphile and Rebag, most of them have the paper hologram serial tag, but we found out through research in the last video that in 2018 or something, 21? I don't know. At some point, Chanel was like, we're going to move to metal serial tags so that they can chip them, and that is what is inside that bag, so that does match up. You also have a front pocket here inside, and then all of the little button details and things have the Chanel logo on them. So pretty legit, if you ask me. Now, I know you think I look really nice and everything, but I do have pajama pants on, so But I just do want to show you, this does hang on the shoulder very beautifully. I really do like this one. I don't know if I prefer this style versus the wallet on chain from the last video. Again, I'm more of kind of like an everyday bag girl, and I thought the wallet on chain that I got previously was like great for going out because it was like super dressy but still like way too small for me every day. This is a better size for me every day, but I am just not a fan of the flap. You know what I mean? Like I like a zipper or like a tote like that I can just stick my phone and sunglasses in really quick, where this kind of involves some work to like open up and like use, especially with the double flap. Guys, tell me what that's about. Just some more specs on this one to show that it is exactly like the original. I do have some measurements taken on here, so I'm gonna lay this baby down. I'm sorry you can't see, but I saw that the original medium bag is 10 inches by 6 inches by 2.75 inches. So I have a measuring tape right here. I'm going to measure it and just make sure. So as you can see, it does measure 10 inches across. It does measure 6 inches tall. And almost to the T, seam to seam, it is 2.75. So this is the same exact size as the original classic flat bag. I'm sorry, I probably should have cut that off, but anyway, guys, this is a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, all of the adjectives that I can think of bag. I really, really do like this one. And with the box and the dust bag, this is a beautiful piece to put in a collection. Now, let's talk about price. I know everyone's curious, how much do you pay for something like this that is pretty much a one-on-one replica? God, I want to be so fabulous. I honestly wish I was this fabulous. All right, so on the seller's website, this is retailing for $319. Again, if you're gonna buy the real one, you're talking between $6,000 and $9,000. $300, you're still getting the same exact look and quality as the original, but for what, a tenth of the price? Even less, even less. I do know that it's going to be a few select people that would be interested in paying a price for that. But look, if you were in the market to get an original or just always wanted it, this is a great way to treat yourself, like for a birthday, or if you got a promotion at work or something like that. I think that this as a gift to yourself is something that is just so luxurious, you know? I am going to be putting the link to purchase this bag directly in my Snip feed link below in the description box. You can use the code KARA10 to save you 10% on that. When we're talking about over $300, 10%, you know, that's pretty good. I also want you to know that that code is strictly for you guys. Same with the last bag. I think I saved you 5% on the last bag with my code. That code is, I don't get anything from it. If you guys decide to buy these bags, I don't get any commission. It's not like that at all. I am only agreeing to show these things to you so that you can see what's out there, where to obtain it, and this is how much it is. Please know, I am not doing this to make any money. I am doing it because I love the bags, but I also just want to be informative to you. So if you have any questions about that, just please let me know. I am totally open and honest with you. Just gonna stick this baby back into the bag and box. This is another one that I think is just too nice to be put on my purse wall because I just don't want it getting dusty and everything. It's just going to be displayed in the box. I do feel like this is definitely worth $300. I have spent $300 on other things, and if you want to add up all the gate bags that I've bought in previous videos, I've spent well over $300. So this is a really nice one, guys. It does have my seal of approval. Remember, if you would like to look at it or purchase it, you can click on the Snip feed link in my description box below. I don't make anything of it, but use that code KARA10 to save you 10%. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment below on if you really do like the Chanel double flap classic bag in medium. Also, let me know about that dummy zipper and what that flap is actually for. I would love to know. You know, the more I know, the more honest I can be in these reviews for you guys. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, you would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.